Hello and welcome to a new unbox. Today I will present the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, which I have bought it in Iceland, in Reykjavik city. It was with a good price, around 41,000. This is the 128 gigabyte version. Actually, you can see it over here before opening. So 6 GB RAM and 128 ROM. Yeah, let's see how it is inside. It is the Aurora Blue version, or at least this is what it says there, but to me it looks like a greenish type. If you look into the light, it's kind of a green. Yeah, very interesting. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, 48 megapixel artificial intelligence quad camera, and with a 16 megapixel the front camera, 6.67-inch screen. I'm pretty interesting. I'm pretty sure that it's very interesting. And 5020 mega milliamp power. 5020 milliamp power battery. That's nice too. The battery, most likely sure. Oh, nice color. It's a fingerprint. Yeah, that I think the fingerprint it's in the, yeah, I was sure about that. It's in the right side. You have to type it over here. And also it's a fingerprint magnet. Yeah, very shiny. Looks amazing. Let's start it up and go. Okay, so this is also the bottom. It's the first time I'm seeing this phone. Never look at the specs before, so because I bought it in the shop, the woman didn't tell me any specification of it. I was just looking there and I saw, okay, so it has a quad camera, 48 megapixel, and good battery, so I just go for it. Yeah, so if you look at the screen, it's pretty big. 6 point, how much it was? 6.67. I think it's written over here. Is it? Yeah, 6.67 inch. So it has the punch hole camera, which I think it's also very nice. Yeah, let's do it. Setup complete. So the phone has MIUI 11. I'm not very well acquainted with Xiaomi operating systems, so I'm guessing that it might be the last generation, but I don't know. If you know anything about it, just can tell me down to the comments. Okay, loading apps, loading apps. So let's present the phone. It has uh, 4 cameras. Not sure which one is the 48 megapixel camera, but I know it has 8 megapixel, then 5 and 2, I guess. I just had a very short glimpse of the specification. You can check it anytime online. There's no problem about that. So let's check what else is in the box. The power brick, super basic. Oh, it has the logo here, Xiaomi. Then, oh, nice, USB Type C. I think that's it in here. Is it? Yep, nothing else. And this box, it has also the pin. Probably instructions and warranty. Has a case, very nice. It's a clear case, silicone. Good. It's very important to have a case in for the phones these days. I put everything here. Don't need it for the moment. Actually, let's put it on the side here. Okay. So, as you saw, it has this quad camera on the top. This is a microphone, and this it might be the infrared. You can see it. Maybe it's focusing. Xiaomi remote control. Yeah, you can access your TVs from here. Let me see if it has it. Mi remote. So just go over here, agree, and you can add the remote to any TVs in your house. Very nice. I had this one on what was that phone? Mi A2. Yeah, it's pretty good. All right. On the right side, it has the power button, which I presume it looks like a fingerprint also. I was right. It's the fingerprint here. Let's put it in several ways. This one too. I think it's ready. Yay. Alright, done. Doesn't matter. So it's a fingerprint scanner and also a button. Just to put it like this. That's it. Awesome. Great. Or if you don't want it, just like this and put the pattern. Okay. So on the left side, it has this SIM tray. Let me see where I can. It's over here. So let's see how the SIM tray looks like. The Mi A2, it doesn't have the memory card. It has only two SIM cards. You can in Mi A2. So this one has two SIM cards and one memory card slot. This is one of the best features for this phone, I guess, except the 48 megapixel camera. Let me see, put it like this. Yeah, that's it. On the bottom, it has the headphone jack. So this is awesome. Type C connector, a microphone, and a speaker. and on the top of the screen, let me show it to you. Maybe you can see it or not. Top of the screen it has a small speaker over here. Yeah, pretty interesting. Oh, and also it has a screen protector. Pretty nice phone. Really love it. Super fast. Great. All right, so let's see the camera. Now, what was that? The 9? Doesn't matter. Let's take a photo for this. Wow. Let's put the 48 megapixel. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, wow. The details are incredible. What does it say here? So, I don't know if you have observed, but in the Chinese phones right now, they are when you take a photo and it looks pretty nice, they are in the left down corner. It is written there. Uh, it has a logo and also uh, what type of phone made and what type of camera also did it. So this one it's a Redmi Note 9s 48 megapixel quad camera. Let's see the video. It has video and short video. Let's do the short video first. Let's see how many seconds so it is 15 seconds short video. Yeah, let me see if I can focus more. How much is 3.4? So it's let me see if I can focus more. Any seconds. Yeah. Okay. So it is 15 seconds. And also has slow motion. Great. Let's take a video first. Let me put it like this. Slow motion. Go. Cool. That's it. Let's see how it was. Uh, Allow. Wow. Amazing. That's so great. If you have observed the slow motion. Oh, you can also trim it. Wow. Oh my god. This is amazing. No other phone that I had before had this kind of options here. Oh, I'm starting to love this phone. Wow, it's amazing. And if you see it over here, the few seconds before starting to um, fell, it run as normal. Then it's starting the slow motion. Look, wow. This is the only thing I can say. Wow, it's amazing. Great. Okay, what else they have? Um, the video, the photo, or a megapixel camera. portrait, night, panorama, and pro. In pro you can do a lot of things, so probably it looks like a professional camera. Yeah. Okay, cool. So that's it, friends. I will try to make later a full review of the phone. This was the unbox and experience that I had with this phone. Let me check first how it is with this case over here. Oh my god, I don't want to scratch it. Let me put it like this, maybe. Okay, that's it. Looks interesting. Oh, okay. So if you observe over here, let me focus. No, no, I can't focus. Sorry about that. But if you see it over here, the cameras are a little bit out of the case. I hope it will not get damaged in time. So most probably you have to leave your phone with the front down so that you will not destroy the cameras in the back. Or let's say not destroys but scratch it, or anything can happen to it. Yeah. All right, that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Have a nice day.